In this tutorial I will show you how to create such these creative fruits social media post design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Then from File place background image. To download image link is provided in description, check it out. Then select Pen tool. Left click to add points to create shape as shown. From top panel keep fill as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. And keep stroke to none. Double-click on Shape 1 layer to enable layer style. From layer style enable drop shadow. Copy these overall settings. Then from File place fruit bucket image. Hold Alt key, left click and drag to resize the image. Place it accordingly as shown. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Copy these guide settings. Then from File place Logo image. Resize the image and place it accordingly in left top corner. Hold Alt key and left click on Logo Layer Thumbnail to enable selection. Then from Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Copy this hex code. Delete Logo Image Layer. Name fill layer as logo. Then select Type tool. Left click to place text. From Properties copy font style and text settings. Copy these text color hex code. Type Eat Fresh Stay Healthy text here. Place the text accordingly. Again select Type tool, left click and drag to make selection. From Properties copy font style and text settings. Copy this text color hex code as well. Paste the text here. Position the text accordingly as shown. Select all text layers and group them. Name it as text. Then select Rectangle tool. Left click to insert its width and height. Add radius as well. From Properties keep fill as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. And stroke to none. Position the rectangle accordingly as shown. Then add text. From Properties copy font style and text settings. Type order now text here. Place the text inside the rectangle shape. Select text and from properties change text color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Select text and rectangle layer and group them. Name it as order now. Then from File place Shapes, Icons Image. Right-click on Layer and rasterize layer. Then select Lasso tool. Make selection of single shape as shown. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Similarly create copy of remaining 2 shape icon. Make sure to always select image layer while making a copy. Delete image layer. Then resize and position these shapes icon accordingly as shown. Right-click and flip vertical. Place layer 2 below fruit basket. Hold Alt and left-click on layer thumbnail to enable selection. From Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Copy this hex code. Delete layer 2. Name fill layer as arrow. Similarly add solid fill to remaining one. Then add text. From properties copy font style and text settings. Add 25% off text here. Select text and from properties change text color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Position the text inside the shape in center. Select text and stamp layer and group them. Name it as 25% off. Resize and place layer 3 accordingly in left bottom corner. Make selection using Alt key plus left click on layer thumbnail. Add solid fill. Select color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Delete image layer and name fill layer as phone. Then add text. From properties copy font style and text settings. Type contact number here. Select text and from properties change text color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Position the numerical text accordingly. Group the layers accordingly. Name it as contact number. Then from View select Guides, then Clear Guides. Lastly select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. Press Ctrl plus 0 to fit to canvas. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.